I'm Liz from Caravan Guard Insurance. It's great news that the lockdown restrictions are being lifted and campsites are being given the green light to reopen so that we can start to get ready to hit the road and enjoy the perfect socially distanced holiday in our leisure vehicles in the coming weeks. It's highly likely that your caravan has been laid up for weeks or even months, so it's really important to check things over to make sure you're safe before your travels. Here's our final playlist of essential caravanning checks to make sure you're ready for the road. Although we've said goodbye to the spring season, our essential spring checks video gives some great advice and a comprehensive list of things to check. This is relevant to anyone who's had their caravan in storage or for newcomers venturing out on their first caravan trip.
Do a visual check around any area where the body has been cut, in other words the windows, the roof lights and edges including along the ceiling.
An important aspect of setting off is making sure you've hitched your caravan up to your tow car correctly, legally and safely. The Trudgeons took us through the various steps to take to make sure you've correctly hitched up your caravan.
Now open the hitch handle and lower the nose of the caravan onto the tow ball until you feel the caravan connect.
Although we mentioned tyres in the spring checks video, it's such an important part of towing that it's worthy of another mention. Our popular pack campaign highlights 4 tyre and wheel checks you should make before you set off. So that's the pressure, age, condition and wheel torque.
Check the tread depth in several places of the tyre and look for cracks in the tread pattern. Again, if you find any, replace the tyre immediately.
Sometimes when towing you might encounter a snaking outfit. With expert advice from Towing Solutions, we created a video on preventing snaking. Their instructor Frank gives some hints and tips on how to slow down a snaking outfit, as well as some advice on preventing it happening in the future.
You've got a snake situation coming on. First thing to do, relax your grip, but maintain a hold of the steering wheel. Secondly, lose the speed, take your foot off the accelerator. Hover, don't use the brake. Thirdly, lose road speed by coming down in the gears.
As campsites reopen, some might have restricted access to shared facilities such as toilets and shower blocks. One of our latest videos goes through how to use, clean, empty and maintain your caravan's chemical toilet. Using your own onboard toilet means you can avoid using shared facilities, you can venture further out into the countryside or even go off-grid. Perfect for remaining socially distant from others. Now place the cap in a safe place away from the drain. You'll be amazed how many are lost at this point. Press the small button that allows air into the cassette and gently pour the contents out. So that's it for our lockdown playlist videos. We hope you found them useful and we hope you managed to have a wonderfully safe and enjoyable staycation in your caravan this year. So take it steady, take care and stay safe. And also don't forget to make sure your caravan is insured so that you're covered should the worst happen. Our friendly award-winning team of advisors are available during the week from 8 AM to 8 PM and at weekends from 9 AM to 4 PM. Thanks for watching and happy caravanning.